What's up guys, welcome to this video. In today's video I will be making this origami transforming envelope box. Such a big name, but it's really awesome. You could transform a plain figure into a box just by flapping this out like this. Wow, isn't it so cool that you want to make it right now? That's what we're gonna do now. Now for making this origami envelope box, we will be needing a sheet of size 15 centimeters into 15 centimeters. It should be double colored so that you get the textures correctly, or it just could be a regular square sheet of paper. It doesn't matter. So let's start making it right now. For the start, we need to fold our sheet of paper into half. And then after that we have to open it out and then repeat the same on the other side as well. We have to open it again and fold it backwards. I'm just doing this fold because a model needs to be seen by the human eye. The creases need to be visible actually. We have to open up and then crease it up. Then we need to fold our sheet of paper into half such that it forms a triangle. And then we have to open it up. After that we have to repeat the same on the other side as well. Every time we make a crease, it should be really strong because these are the basic reference folds we are doing right now. And then after that we have to open it up and we have to fold this point over here towards the central crease, or you could just call it the central point, whatever. We have to repeat the same step over here we did on all the other three sides as well. And then after we complete folding all the other three sides as well, we need to open the opposite two sides and then fold this part over here towards the central crease like this, and then we have to repeat the same on the opposite side like this. We will be getting a shape that looks something like this. Now we have to fold and unfold this part over here and then repeat the same on the other side as well. We now have to position this point in this place where the central crease and another crease over here meet, like this. We have to unfold and then fold the same way we did earlier on the other side as well. We have to open up and then enforce one side down, and using the creases we made earlier, we have to squash those down such that it forms something that looks like this. After doing the squash fold, we have to enforce it once more, and then we have to repeat the same step on the other side as well. And then we have to do the same thing on the other side. We now have to open up on one side such that the whole side is white, and then we have to fold it again as the same thing we did in the previous steps, and fold it inward and squash it. We have to repeat the squash fold once more. And then we have to reinforce the fold in such a manner that these two squares are present over here. I just kept this triangle open for reference. You could just fold it inward like this and fold it backward. And then after that, I'm sure you can see the point over here where this line and this line intersect. You have to fold this point over here towards the central point, like this. And then you have to fold this point over here towards this intersection point over here. Like this. And we have to repeat the same step on the upcoming side. We have to fold it backward, and then we have to repeat the same step we basically did on the other side as well. We have to open this side and then hold these two flaps and flap them out. You might see that our box is nearly ready. We just have to squash these two folds outside inward, which gives us this model. Now, surprise, this box can transform. Now, this is the end of making the origami envelope box. This is a transforming box that transforms. So, if you like this video, a like would be awesome, and I thank you all from the bottom of my heart for watching this video. If you did not subscribe yet, you at least consider subscribing because I poured a lot of effort into making this video. And you could comment your suggestions on what I could make next, or just your opinions on this box in the comment section below. But for now, bye guys. Until next time I come up with a new video, I say bye.